Hi, I'm Ryan Elsey, Parts and Service Director at Eide Ford. Regular engine oil changes are one of the most important things you can do to properly maintain your vehicle. The trouble most people encounter is getting it done in a timely manner. Here at Eide Ford, we have found the solution. Eide Ford now has the Express Service Oil Change. It's a high-speed oil change that'll keep you on the road without the hassle of spending a bunch of time waiting. Here's how we do it. First off, every technician is assigned a specific task to fulfill during the oil change process. Our technicians work as a team, and each technician performs the same task on every vehicle. This saves a ton of time so we can get you back on the road sooner. Even though it is an express service, each vehicle is run through a rigorous inspection checklist. Once completed, if we find any issues, we can get them fixed before you hit the road. To schedule your next oil change, call Eide Ford at 701-222-3500 or visit us online at eideford.com. Eide Ford, time saving, hassle-free, fair price.